Suppose
Hmm.
you are running in the campus
Hmm.
and you are walking with your supervisor. That is also the best time to discuss some of the problem without notebook and without book.
So, sir, I have seen in some institutes that a guide has so many scholars under them, like 6 to 7 scholars, PhD scholars under them. So, what happens that the guide is not able to give enough time to a particular scholar, and that he or she might feel that my guide is not giving me enough time. So, what can a scholar do in such case if these things are happening with him or her?
Under those circumstances, if guide is not giving the quality time to the some scholars or giving the more time to some scholars,
Hmm.
this is happening actually with all of us.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So under those circumstances, only one one strategy is there, one plan is there. A student can talk to the supervisor offline and look for some other time, some conducive time, depending on the guide's suitability, supervisor suitability, not the suitability of the student.
Okay.
Suppose guide is available for 10 minutes, morning
Okay.
time. Generally, morning time is good for those.
Hmm.
So, candidate can go and walk in their office and
Hmm.
request them, sir, I want
Hmm.
to discuss, I need your 5 minutes.
Hmm. Hmm.
And that thing can be easily resolved.
Easy.
Here, no formal meeting, nothing is required because if more formal communication would start,
Hmm.
then supervisor comfort go
Hmm.
and supervisor will not pay attention much as it is being expected from the supervisor.
I understand. I understand.
So only walk in their office is the best
Is the
medium,
only chance
especially
left
in the
in this?
morning time.
Huh,
Especially
in
in
the
the
morning
morning
time.
time, not in the afternoon. Means suppose your office starts at 10, so a
Hmm.
student should reach at 9:45 a.m. Nearest to the corridor and wait for a supervisor.
Okay. This is a very logical thing to do, because if the contact is minimum, that then scholars should go and try to
Yes,
interact. And
because a scholar has to control the supervisor and chase the supervisor.
in
Wherever
this case,
supervisor go. When I was
hmm.
a student, I know my guide is busy. I reached to the administrative building also because he
Okay.
has so many other responsibilities. So I
Hmm.
said, sir, I'm coming there. I am meeting you. Even if he is
Okay.
not, he must be busy. Then it is my duty to reach on the main building, means our administrative building at IIT Roorkee, to
Hmm.
look at and search out
Okay.
because there is no other option available.
I understand. I understand.
And once we reach street roads, then we can. That is also very conducive time to discuss. Suppose
Hmm.
you are running in the campus
Hmm.
and you are walking with your supervisor. That is also the best time to discuss some of the problem without notebook and without book.
I tell you, sir, I have seen this case once. I have seen this case in IIT Delhi. So they have a tea stall, uh, a common tea stall in IIT Delhi. So what
Hmm.
happens that that evening tea at around 3 or 3:30, the guide comes, has the tea at that stall. At that time, all the scholars will be there also, so
Hmm.
that will be like a tea talk for all of them. Then they
Yes,
will
tea talk,
talk
that
about,
is a very common talk.
huh,
There is a possibility. Do not discuss any research problem also.
like just talking about what's going in life and all those stuffs, and that thing is also done, and talking about the work that they are doing, that thing also happens. So
Friendly
this is
environment. Actually,
how friendly
it is a
environment.
icebreaker. It is a icebreaker in the strict environment because once you go outside, both supervisor and the scholar,
Hmm.
the beautiful thing will come because supervisors are occupied in their offices. Once they are out from their office, they have many things, recreational things. Suppose
Hmm.
some conference is planned, can be
Hmm.
planned, can be
Hmm.
discussed, some strategy formulation can be done, right? Just for the benefit of the team, means for the supervisor and as well as for the scholars.
Yes, obviously, obviously. So this is actually a nice thing to do in this
This is
case.
a informal, actually. This is a
Huh.
informal way uh, to destroy various hierarchies.
Yes.
various hierarchies which are there. Suppose supervisor is strict and nature wise, scholar is very soft, very soft spoken. Sometimes it is opposite. Sometimes scholar is very rigid, but supervisor is soft. Sometimes both the people are moderate, less, soft and less hard, so likewise.
So thank you so much for this beautiful answer for this very, very common thing that happens
Common thing,
with
yes.
most of the scholars. Thank you so much.